Dining with Foodright Kitchen. Guess what, guys? Today I'm going to be cooking pepper soup. Assorted pepper soup that have different spice inside. So I'm going to be showing you guys my own method how I cook pepper soup and yam. Okay, so relax, sit back and enjoy this video. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients. I have shaki, goat shaki. If you remember earlier, I washed the shaki with lemon. So this is it. I've chopped it into this size, into these pieces. It depends on individual. If you want to, if you want to make it bigger than this, you can chop it more bigger, or if you want it smaller, but I just like it this side. Goat meat, you can see I chop it into pieces as well, very tiny pieces. Also I got goat kidney. In short, I'm using assorted meat. Also I have yam. I'm going to be cutting it into cube shape, and I've got my utazi, I've got my bitter leaf, crayfish, Cameroon pepper, Scotch bonnet, Maggi cube, onions, garlic and ginger. I also have salt here, then some pepper soup spice. When I put them together, so all this is gonna be very delicious. Also guys, you can bring other ingredients to this pepper soup, but this is what I'm going to be using. Though some people might not want to go this far, they'll just use the basic. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy this step-by-step pepper soup. So I'm going to first of all boil the shaki for like few minutes, just for few minutes. So add some onions, then 1 Maggi cube, a little salt and a little water. Just stir it. Just gonna boil it just for a little bit, yeah, because the shaki used to be harder than the goat meat. So yeah, my ginger, I don't actually remove the skin. I like it that way. So guys, I'm just going to blend everything together now. Okay, so this is the shaki after about 10 minutes, because I can't stand eating tough shaki. I love it when it's soft. Not too soft, but at least a bit softer. Yeah, so if you look at the goat meat, it's very tiny. I cut it really tiny because I asked the butcher to cut it this tiny for me, so that it will be easy to just scoop with a spoon, with tablespoon. So, and imagine cutting it this tiny, obviously it's gonna be, it's gonna be cooked quickly. So that's why I had to boil the shaki, so that they were cooked at the same time. Pour the shaki. So I'm also going to pour the blended pepper. Also I'm going to add the Cameroon pepper and the pepper soup spice, crayfish, Maggi cube, then salt, so a reasonable water, because I'm still going to add the yam inside. So about this size of water should be enough. All right, so it's time for cooking now. So I'm going to boil it for 20 minutes to 25 minutes, it depends. So then I will add the yam when the assorted meat is fully done. I'm going to add the yam. So while I'm cooking it, I will be cutting the yam. So So guys, I'm going to be blending 2 Scotch bonnets. This is for later when it's about 2 minutes to, to turn up the heat. I'm going to pour this. So this is after 25 minutes of cooking. You cover and cook again for another probably 10 or 15 minutes. Let's see how long it's gonna take to cook. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of the video now. I've finished cooking the assorted pepper soup with yam, so I'm going to be showing you guys how it turns out to look. This is how the pepper soup turns out to look. You can see how it's looking delicious. So make one for yourself and let me know how yours turn out to be in the comment section below. Let me know any other spice that you can add to your pepper soup that is going to be, different from my own spice. Maybe I could as well learn from you guys, and I will catch up with you again in another video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for staying in tune to the end of the video. Bye bye.